Hi everybody. I've been asked many times, what exactly do we do? How do we provide the service we provide? So this is the reason why we're making this video, to let everybody know what we do and how we do it. And the first thing we did when we started this, we wanted to be transparent. That was our main goal. We didn't want anybody to guess what your prices are going to be. You come in and one day you're paying one number and the other guy's paying another number. So what we do is, right off the bat, we give you a price list. And pretty much off that price list, you can figure out what your own price is going to be. You'll be right there. So we eliminate all the guesswork about pricing and so forth. We don't want any surprises at the end. So you pretty much know what your price is going to be. When the material comes in, we'll take it off the loading dock and right away we'll catalog it. We take a count of it, we take a square footage of it, and this way we know exactly what you're getting and you'll get a proposal. We then have daily meetings and we'll put you on a schedule. Your items will be ready within a week. If you're in a jam and you need something quickly, you let us know. The reason why we're able to turn around a product so fast is because we are fully automated. Most of the sanding is done with automation. We have two sanders. We have a precision sander and we have a brush sander, and we also have a edge sander. So we try to automate a lot of our sanding. Most of our finishing is done through a Cephala machine, all automated, very quickly, totally consistent, speeds up our time, and great quality control. Products we're using is top-of-the-line products. We're using a Canlac product and Sayerlac. If you'd like to use another product, please let us know, and we'd be happy to use that also. We do have a full-service finish shop. We're able to stain. We match our own colors. There's no wait time on that. We also provide fire-rated panels. Once the product comes off the spray machine, it then is put into our newly installed heat oven. We can dry a product within 15 to 20 minutes and have it ready to wrap that same day. We can wrap everything and get it ready for shipping, either via pickup or either a delivery. We not only provide a quality product, but we'll give it to you in a timely fashion. The result is a brilliant surface quality. The day of being late on your job is over. Stop watching paint dry. We want the opportunity to finish your masterpieces. Here in our finish shop, time does matter. I'm glad you enjoyed your tour of our spaces, and we look forward to doing business with you.